Guys, today we bought a cookware set named Tramontina. It's an aluminium with star-flint non-stick coating, which is made in Brazil. So it mentions it has tempered glass lids with steam vents, steel rims and nylon knobs, heat-resistant backlight handles. So as we can see, it's written all about the coating and the contents. Let's go over the contents. It has one saucepan, one frying pan, two casserole and three glass lids. And here all about the coating, about base coat, mid coat and the non-stick granite effect. So here are all the pieces. So I'm going to unwrap them. So here are all the pieces. So here's the large casserole, the frying pan, the medium casserole, the saucepan. So, and here are the lids for them. So here are all the 7 pieces. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.